If you are struggling to make your Pinterest account public, in this video I will show you the fastest way to do that. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, to make your Pinterest account public, first of all you'll have to open a Pinterest account and then you'll have to tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Now on this page you'll be able to find another profile picture option on the top left. You'll have to tap on it, which will open your profile. Now on the top right corner you'll be able to find a gear icon and you'll have to tap on that to head over to the settings. And once you're on this page you'll have to tap on profile visibility, that is the third option. And after that you'll find two options. Now the first option is private account. It means that when your profile is private, only people that you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers and following lists. And if you want to make your account public, that anybody will be able to see your images and pins that you create, you'll have to turn it off. And the second one is search privacy, and it is automatically turned off. So it says that hide your profile and boards from search engines. Now if you want your profile to be visible on search engines like Google, Bing, or they are recommending your profile to people who search, then you can turn it off. And if you want to hide your profile from search engines, you can turn it off, but I recommend you turn it off to make your profile completely public so that people can see your work. So that's how you can easily make your Pinterest account public. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out. Thank you.